Welcome back to another episode of Trading Levels with Alighten. Just a quick recap. We have our higher time frame charts in the top left, 30, 60, 4-hour, and daily. We have our lower time frame charts, which I have the 15-minute hidden, but we have the 5, 10, 15. And then we have our entry chart, which is a 30-second chart where we have our trapped traders signal. And that's what we'll use to actually click the button. So what we're going to look for is first direction from the higher time frame charts. Right now we're operating off this last long signal on the 30-minute chart. We're going to look for a long signal on the lower time frame charts, so the 5 or 15 or 5 10 or 10 or 15, and then we're going to look for an entry here on the 1 minute. It's important to remember that we also need to, if it's a long signal and a red bar, we need to make sure we wait for the bar to close. Likewise, if it's a short signal and a green bar, we need to wait for the bar to close. So let's go ahead and see how this day started. Oh, we did just rockets up. So I don't enter unless I see a valid signal. So I'm not chasing this up. I'm waiting for this bar to end. Hopefully it comes back down. There's a short there, so I might get a long here. There's a possibility for a pattern C long if it'll decide to come back down. Or maybe even lower. There we go. There's a pattern C. So let's see what happens with this. The bar closes. It's green. Bar's green. We have our. I'm gonna move that down. Let's move this up. And let's see. Break even plus. And there we go. So I'll pause there. Same concept. We have the long signal on the higher time frame chart, long signal on the lower time frame chart. To pattern C, we're more likely with a pattern C to get a green bar, right? We're not usually having to wait for a red bar to finish closing, although it does happen. Not usually having to wait for a red bar to finish closing and then take the next one up. So I was ready to go when this happened. And then we got this beautiful trap traders here. And that was kind of a perfect trade. And then we had our, I'm not sure how many, I'm not sure if this keeps going, but 200 ticks there. So that's a piece of cake trade right there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see something different from these videos, or if you want me to just keep posting trades. I'm happy to share more information about the indicators, go into some detail there, but just hit me up in the comments or on Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next one.